Standard 6th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4, Working with Excel Data. Types of data. Students, in Excel, 3 types of data can be entered, namely numeric, numbers, text and formulas. Any type of data or combination of 2 data types can be used in a worksheet. Values are the combination of formulas, text and numbers. Data interpretation in Excel 2016. Excel interprets data as numbers or text. Numeric data. Numeric data includes numbers, means students from 0 to 9, and special character plus, minus, equal to, capital E, small, inverted comma, dollar, percentage, slash, etc. It is mainly used for the calculation. Numbers are used for calculation, obvious students. Maximum 12 digits per numbers including integers, decimals and plus minus sign can be stored in each cell. Not more than that. The number of digits in a decimal place depends on column width. Suppose student, if the column width is not wide enough, then only a few digits will be displayed. If the column is narrow, then hashtag sign appears in the place of numbers. To display the full numbers, what you have to do? You have to widen the column width enough to display all digits by double clicking on that column header on right edge. This has been explained in depth later afterwards. In few cases, interpretation of data is also possible. If you type 1/5 or 01/05, Excel automatically converts this entry into January 5th of the current year. If you want the result as 1/5 or 01/05, then add single inverted comma 0 as the first digit followed by a space and the number. Now student, if you enter a number with leading 0, example 0567, then 0 will be ignored and result will be only shown 567. To display the number with leading 0, you have to add single inverted comma in the beginning. For example, single inverted comma 0567. The result will be 0567. Alphanumeric or text data. Student, it is a combination of number, letter and a special character or only letters. For example, 1, 2, 3, ABCD and addition plus minus. It is not used for the calculation. If you want to enter data in multiple lines in a single cell, then you have to press Alt plus Enter key after every line. Selecting a cell. Student, if you want to select a cell, what you have to do? To select a cell, you simply click on the cell. You can now type the text or number in the cell. Selecting a range. A group of selected cells is known as a range. Click on the first cell you will be working on. Hold the left mouse button and drag to the last cell you will be working on. All the cells from the first to last will be selected as a range. Deleting data. Select the cell or range of cells you wish to delete. Press the delete key on the keyboard to remove the content of the selected cells. All the selected cells will go blank. For example, if the content in the range of cells A3 to E5 is to be deleted, select cells A3 to E5 and then press the delete key. all the content from A3 to E5 will be cleared and the cells will be seen blank. Copying data. Select the range of cells to be copied. Click on Home tab, then select Copy option. Otherwise, shortcut key is Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Okay. Third, click on the cell in which you want to copy the data. And then again click on the Home tab, select Paste option. For Paste option, we have a shortcut key Ctrl+V together on the keyboard. Thank you.